Experiencing persistent PIN prompts when accessing T-Mobile voicemail, especially with the visual voicemail app, is often due to synchronization issues between your device and T-Mobile's servers. This is a known problem that T-Mobile has been actively addressing through updates, particularly since mid-2024. The core issue is that the visual voicemail app loses sync with T-Mobile's servers, prompting you to enter your PIN repeatedly. Start by understanding that T-Mobile uses a 4 to 6-digit PIN to secure your voicemail. A desynchronization can occur due to network instability, especially during 4G to 5G transitions, app glitches, or conflicts with other voicemail management apps or settings like call forwarding. Recent updates to the visual voicemail app, version 3.5 Plus, include advanced security features and biometric authentication options to reduce reliance on PINs. However, if you're still encountering issues, especially on older Android versions, pre-12, you may need to manually reset your PIN and sync your mailbox. To fix the persistent PIN prompt issue, follow these steps. First, reset your voicemail PIN via the My T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to Account, Voicemail, Reset PIN. T-Mobile will send a temporary code to your device for confirmation. Next, manually sync your voicemail by force stopping the visual voicemail app, clearing its cache and data, and then restarting it. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to reset the network connection. If the problem persists, ensure the app has necessary permissions, microphone and storage. Advanced users can check for carrier settings updates under Settings, General, About, Carrier. As a last resort, consider dialing 86 from your T-Mobile line to directly access voicemail settings. Remember that T-Mobile plans to incorporate AI-driven diagnostics to auto-resolve these issues in the future, so keep your app updated.